Hi, my name is Del, and I'm the founder of Unfinished. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble our side table. This also applies to our mini side table, our no tool stool, and our Kids Stool. When you get your stool or side table, it's going to come with three parts: a top and two legs. Slide everything over and get your top in place, and then grab the leg that has the groove facing upwards. Find the two holes on the bottom of the top and insert them, putting a little bit of pressure to get it seated in. Spin it around, grab your second leg with the groove facing down this time, and insert it through the first leg. Find the holes again and do the same thing. You may need to put a little bit of pressure on it to get it to seat all the way. Flip it over and make sure it's seated by tapping the top on all four legs. And that's it. You're done.